Hello, this is Dan Fashionbauer from Video Pizzazz. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an AWeber autoresponder campaign for a lead generation landing page. All right, so let's go over to AWeber. Now, the first thing you need to do is have a list generated. So I've already created a list called Eau Claire Businesses. And you just want to make sure that you're in that current list when you create your messages. So what I'm trying to do here is when somebody opts in to my lead capture opt-in form, I want them to be added to the Eau Claire Businesses list, which is going to be automatically done, and that's set up already. But I also want to send them an email instantly without me having to manually do that. So that's what I'm going to be setting up today. So I'm going to go over to Messages, Campaigns. You can click on Create a Campaign. You can either do it here or here. And today I'm just going to start with a blank campaign. So I'm going to click on Create a Blank Campaign. We need to give our campaign a name. I'm going to call it Eau Claire Free Video Leads. Click on Create. Now you need to tell AWeber when you want this email to go out. Well, in my case, I want it to go out as soon as somebody subscribes to my landing page. So I'm going to click on subscribe. Now here's some of your actions. You can send a message. You can put in a wait if you want to wait several days before the message goes out, and you can apply tags. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to send a message. Click on this and drag it over here. And you'll notice that this says Start Campaigns on Subscribe, Trigger Campaign for New Subscribers. So as soon as somebody opts in, they're going to be sent this message here, whatever this message is. I'm going to come over here to create a message. I'm going to use the pull down and I'm going to click on Bring up the drag and drop email builder. Alright, so they've got some dummy text in here that I will be replacing. And then we can insert our subject line here. I'm just going to put in congratulations on submitting your business for our free video giveaway. And then I can click here and I can add in a smiley face and maybe I'll add in a thumbs up. So this first name underscore fixed inside the curly brackets here is a variable. So that should go out and grab the first name from your email list and insert it in here for you. Then we can click in the body area here. And I'm going to delete out all this stuff here. Do a Control V, and I'm going to paste in my own text. So then I could hyperlink these sites, so I could click on this and highlight it, come up here, click on the link here. So this is my display name. It's going to be a URL, and I'm going to link it to https://www.videopizzazz.com. I get a green check mark saying that's valid. Click OK. So I can select this Facebook URL here, come up and click on the link, and paste in my Facebook URL. I get a green check mark saying that's valid. Click OK. Highlight the Instagram link here. Click on the hyperlink. Paste in the URL. Alright, so I get a miscellaneous error on my Instagram URL, and I'm not sure why. Let's say OK anyway. Alright, so let's highlight our LinkedIn link here. Click on the link, paste in the URL, and I get a miscellaneous error on that also. Not sure why. Let's click on OK. Alright, so let's select this. Go bold, select this, go bold, select this, bold, and this, bold. And it should be pretty much ready to go. So you just come over here and click on Save and Exit. And then it puts it in right here. Now if you want to add another email to the sequence, you just grab Send a Message and slide it over here and create that email. And if you want to wait several days or a week or a month before you send another email, you can grab this wait, slide that over here, and you can tell it how many days you want it to wait before you send another email. So this is your automation. I'm going to select this. So I'm going to come over here under select messages and click here. That brings up that message for editing again. And the reason I'm doing that is I want to do a preview and test. So here's my preview, and I'm going to send a test. So I'll put in here m.fashionbauer at gmail.com. Click on send test message. I'll go over to my email reader, and I got an email. Dan from Video Pizzazz says congratulations on submitting your business for our free video giveaway. The icons showed up. I'll click on this, and I'll make sure that the formatting looks good, everything looks fine. I'll check out these links here. Let's click on website. Okay, that works. Let's click on Facebook. That works. Let's click on Instagram. That works. And let's click on LinkedIn. That works. Okay, so all these links work even though I got a warning message when I tried to set up Instagram and LinkedIn. So I'm not sure what was wrong with that. But other than that, I think it looks good. I'm going to show you one more thing within AWeber before we leave this video. So we're going to go back over to AWeber, and I'm going to show you how to turn off your double opt-in on your lead capture form for your list if you want to do that. So what that means is when somebody opts in on your lead capture form, by default, AWeber will send them an email saying, hey, you've got to click on this link to make this active. Now, I don't want to do that because sometimes that email will go into their spam and they'll never see it and they'll never activate their autoresponder campaign. So what I want to do is I want to turn that off. So I'm going to come up here to click on AWeber. I'm still in my Eau Claire Businesses list. Now if you come over here to List Options, List Settings, come over here on the left column, click on Confirmation Message, and scroll down right here under Confirmation Message Settings. Right here it says Send Confirmation Message for AWeber Sign-Up Forms. Now by default, this is on, and I turned it off because I don't want a double opt-in. But that's up to you. Both are fine. I just prefer not to have it turned on. So in case my welcome email goes into their spam folder and they never see it, they'll never get on my list. This way they automatically get on my list whether they see the email or not. Okay, so that's it for today. So that's how you would set up an AWeber autoresponder campaign to send out to a prospect automatically when they opt into your web form on your lead capture page. I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.